Welcome back, everyone. It's Rosa back at it again with another straight to the point recipe. If you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe to be notified so that you don't miss out on being one of the first to try my recipes. Today we're sharing a version of a dish that my father used to make for us when we were kids, a version of chili bean spaghetti that I call chili Parm Mac. Let's begin. This recipe is so delicious and it can be paired with garlic bread or enjoyed even on its own. So let's get to it. Other than a half a cup of grated Parmesan, this recipe calls for 2 cups of elbow macaroni, a can or more of your favorite canned chili, with or without the beans. I prefer with the beans. Also a half a tablespoon of your favorite chili or spicy seasonings, 2 cloves of chopped garlic, a quarter of a green pepper and a quarter of a red onion chopped, as well as some olive oil for sauteing. Thank you for sticking it out and watching the video. So comment if you plan on trying this recipe. I would love to hear how it turned out or how you made it your own. Don't forget to like and subscribe for updates on short and sweet and straight to the point recipes. Bye.